Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add the Brave search to Opera GX. All right. So first up, open up your browser, and once you're in here, just open up a new tab. Okay, and just type down https://search.brave.com. After that, go ahead and type down another /. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to the URL box, right click on it, and just click on edit search engines. Okay, click on it. Now to activate it, just gotta scroll down a bit. You'll find inactive shortcuts. Okay, go ahead and click on activate, like so. Now go ahead and click on the pencil button, change it. Change the shortcut to be Brave or just BR. Okay, and just hit on save. Now, why BR? Click on a plus sign right here to add in a new tab and just type down BR. Okay, and then once done, hit on space. Now hit on enter. Now, as you can see here, we are now using the Brave browser. Okay, unlike any other browser like Firefox, okay, Edge, or even Chrome or Chromium-based browsers, you can just easily select Brave as your search engine. But for Opera and Opera GX, you won't be able to do it. Okay, you'll have to add it in manually in your search box or URL box. That's basically it. Again, to use it, just type down BR as your shortcut. And from here, you can just go ahead and add in your query. For example, 1 + 1. Hit on enter, and it will give you the answer by using the Brave search engine. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.